My name's Jamie Sarno. I'm with Access Medicare Advisors, and I'm a National Sales Director with Aetna Senior Supplemental. Aetna Senior Supplemental, lots of people out there know Aetna as the leader in Medicare supplements, but they're also a leader in their ancillary products. They have products for hospital indemnity, short-term nursing home, assisted living, home health care, cancer, final expense, and dental vision hearing. So there's a massive portfolio of products that Aetna brings to the table, and with the Aetna name, you cannot go wrong with that. It's a household name. Everyone loves Aetna, and Aetna means security and that you're going to be protected no matter what happens to you. Oh, it is a great place to regroup with people that we haven't seen in a few years. You learn a lot from the experiences that everyone brings to the table here. You've got individuals who have been in this industry now with Medicare for 50 years. So it's amazing, you learn a lot, and you get to see old friends and make new friends.